In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit permissions in Slack. This process is essential for managing your team effectively. By adjusting permissions, you ensure that the right people have the right access, fostering a more organized communication environment. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your browser and search for Slack. You can use any search engine you prefer. As the page loads, you will see various links to Slack's official site. This is important because accessing the official site ensures that you are using the most up-to-date version of the platform. Once you see the correct link, go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to the Slack homepage where you can proceed with the login process. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. If you already have a Slack account, enter your credentials such as your email and password. If you're using a shared computer, make sure no one else can see your login information. Logging in correctly is crucial because it allows you to access your workspace and all its features. After entering your details, click on the Login button. You should now be inside your Slack workspace, ready to make changes. Now open the specific Slack channel you want to restrict. You can find your channels listed in the sidebar of your workspace. Look for the channel where you want to edit the permissions. This step matters because different channels may have different purposes and audiences. By focusing on one channel at a time, you can tailor the permissions to fit the needs of that particular group. Once you find the channel, click on it to open the conversation thread. Once that is done, click the channel name in the top conversation header. This will display the channel details, including member lists and settings. The channel name is usually highlighted at the top of the screen, making it easy to find. This action is important because it allows you to access the settings specific to that channel. After clicking, you will see a drop-down menu with various options related to the channel. From there, click on the Settings tab. This tab contains all the options you need to manage the channel effectively. You will see various settings including notifications, integrations, and permissions. Selecting this tab is crucial for accessing the area where you can manage who has the ability to post messages. You are now one step closer to customizing the channel according to your preferences. Next up, locate Posting Permissions and click Edit. You will find this option within the Settings menu. Posting permissions dictate who can send messages in the channel. This step is very important because it helps you control the flow of information within your team. By managing these permissions, you can prevent unnecessary noise in the channel, allowing for more focused discussions. Once you find the Edit button, click on it to proceed. After that, choose who can send messages or use bulk tags such as at all, at here, or at channel. You will see options to select specific roles or members. This flexibility allows you to customize who has the ability to reach everyone in the channel. Once you have made your selections, click Save Changes. This ensures that your new settings take effect immediately. You will see a confirmation message appear, assuring you that your changes have been saved successfully. By following these steps, you now have a well-managed Slack channel where permissions are tailored to your team's needs. This will enhance communication and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Thank you for watching and happy collaborating.